Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
As the week unfolds, the economic calendar will spotlight major economic data, alongside reports of moderate importance. Traders should stay vigilant, as these events may signal shifts in market momentum and investor confidence. Staying prepared for the market impact of these events is crucial. The potential volatility might present chances for strategic repositioning in the days ahead.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
US stocks ended in negative territory as investors, left with no economic data or any sentiment-swaying catalysts, took the opportunity to consolidate ahead of third-quarter earnings season. Cryptocurrency investment products reached a major milestone. Global crypto ETPs have attracted $48.67 billion so far this year, exceeding the full-year total for 2024 in just 10 months. Oil prices settled lower after Israel and the Palestinian group Hamas signed an agreement to cease fire in Gaza. Under the ceasefire deal, fighting will cease, Israel will partially withdraw from Gaza, and Hamas will free all remaining hostages in exchange for hundreds of prisoners held by Israel.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
The dollar-yen pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, gaining 0.2%. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair plummeted 2.0% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. The gold dropped 0.8% against the dollar in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal. The oil-dollar pair dropped 0.9% in the last session after rising as much as 2.1% during the session. The MACD is giving a positive signal.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.